Well, I try to listen for a person's strengths. Um, People usually come with a list of things that aren't working, things about themselves they want to improve, maybe places where they've had feedback that wasn't as positive as they would have wanted. And so that's sort of some background noise. But what's really important is who the person is, what their essence is, what their strengths are. Sometimes it's just pointing out what those things are that can help establish a foundation of confidence. And then from that, we're not looking at remaking an entire career or an entire personality or toolbox. What we're doing is saying, okay, what are the things we can let go of? And what are the things we want to orient ourselves towards that are going to be useful for where we're going? And this is all within the world of who this person really is, not who they're trying to be or who they've been told they need to be, but who they naturally occur as when they're not trying, when they're not performing. That's the basis. And to have confidence and a good feeling about the self in that way, that's kind of the starting point.